Baby. Baby. Are you awake? Yeah. No, I'm fine, baby. I'm fine. Just... No, I'm not crying. I just missed you. So, and I wanted to have your company for a bit. Please, I'm not crying. You don't have to cuddle me. I'm not a baby. It's just sniffles from, like, the air conditioning. It's too cold, so it happens. It happens. I have a sensitive nose. I love you. I'm sorry. I just had a nightmare. It's so stupid. I don't know why I'm bothering you about this at so late at night. We should both be asleep. You have to be up early tomorrow. And I have to be up early tomorrow. It's just so stupid, but I'm just so scared. Scared that what I dreamt of might come to pass one day. I don't know, baby. I'm just scared. I don't want to lose you. I feel like something bad's gonna happen. That someday you'll wake up and you realize that you don't love me. You're better off with someone else, or someone else comes along and steals you away from me. I don't know, something stupid's gonna happen, and the end result's gonna be me without you, and I don't know what I'm gonna do without you. So I'm just scared of that possibility happening. And I know you mentioned that I should let go of those thoughts that you're gonna leave, because it's never gonna help for me to overthink and stuff. But I just love you. I just love you so much, and I don't want to lose you. Yeah, baby. I love you. I don't want to lose you, but I'm scared. I know it's stupid to be scared, but I am. Yeah, baby. A hug would help. Thank you. I just needed to drink some water, and then I'd feel like normal again. I just needed to wake up and drink some water and feel better, but then I realized that you're right there and you're awake, so might as well share with you. I know someday you're gonna get tired of me. You're gonna get tired of this. But as long as you're not, then I know. You always say that. You always say you're never gonna be tired of me. I don't know, baby. I want to make you happy. And I don't think this is making you happy. Me crying all the time. Me, being like this. But it's okay. It's okay. I mean, I try. You say that's what matters. So, yeah. I'm going to try to be happy for you. To be a good boyfriend to you. I know. Because you're good to me. And that's what matters, right? That we both are treated well. don't know. I don't know what's wrong, baby. I think it's just the thoughts, they keep coming back into my mind, and I don't know how to deal with them. I don't know how to deal with the thought that one day I might not have you. Like, I'm so scared. If something were to happen to you, if I were to lose you, I don't know what I'd do, baby, and I don't know what I'd do without you. I don't know how I can go on without you. It's just, I know it's bad to be so reliant on someone for your source of happiness, but you're the only thing that makes me happy. If I didn't have you with me, I don't know what I'd do. I don't know what to do. I don't know what's the point of living anymore. And I'm scared, baby. I want us to be together. I want us to be happy. But I'm scared something will stop us from being happy. Anything that can go wrong will go wrong. So yeah, I guess you're right. If we're good together, then we'll work it out. That's true, baby. That's true. Yeah. My eyes were so tired, baby. I can't even keep them open. Can you just hold me, please? I just need to be held for a bit till I go to sleep, and I'll be fine. Yes, baby, I promise I will be fine. There's nothing you need to do for me. You being here is enough. You know that, right? Yeah. I feel much better knowing that I can just reach over and grab you and hold you tight and never let you go. And I can do that because you're right here. The fear is that one day I might not be able to do that. So as long as I can't do that, I will cherish that moment with you. I love you. I love you so much. You have no idea. You mean the world to me. You mean everything to me. You are my everything. Te amo.